In this video, I am going to show you how to fix missing mouse cursor issues on Windows. 1. Press the Windows key plus S key simultaneously to open the search bar. Type Device Manager, or you can just right-click on the Windows logo and select Device Manager. In the Device Manager window, press the Tab key until the focus is on the list of device categories. Press the down arrow key to select mice and other pointing devices. And then expand the category. Once mice and other pointing devices expanded, select your mouse driver. Next, press Shift plus F10 to open the Contacts menu. And then navigate to Properties and then press Enter to open the Properties window. Inside there, navigate through the various tabs and enter to select an option on the tab as needed. Depending on your specific issues, you may need to navigate through different tabs and options within the mouse, such as pointer options, driver updates, or hardware troubleshooting. Once you've made the necessary adjustments, press the Tab key until OK or Apply button is selected, and then press Enter to apply the changes. Navigate them and then close or cancel. Restart your computer to ensure the changes take effect. After restarting your computer, check to see if the mouse cursor has reappeared. Move the mouse around on the screen to ensure it's functioning correctly. And that's it, guys. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe